Hey, I just got asked a great question. How can I improve my response with direct mail? How can I get more people calling or clicking after they get my letter or postcard or whatever in the mail? Well, a quick and easy hack that you can make is whatever direct mail you're sending, make it look like anything but a sales letter. Make it look like something else. For example, this is an old idea, but Dan Kennedy and other smart copywriters use FedEx to get something into your hands quickly. And this doesn't look like a sales letter. It looks like something that you need to deal with right away, something urgent. Inside, of course, is a sales letter. And this is something that you can do to buy attention and get people to read your message with interest. So that if your message is valuable, if you're selling a high ticket item, FedEx is a simple way to improve your response, almost without exception. I've used it for years and I recommend it. Another easy way to do this is to just make your letter look like anything but a sales letter. So this is something I've used for over 10 years. It's called the paper email. You take an email that's working, print the thing, send it by letter, presto changeo, you have a paper email. Humor is fun too. It's hard to do, but I always include a picture of my dog Hulk because he's a four-legged punchline. Everybody likes Hulk. Another trick that I've used is to, instead of sending a sales letter, send an endorsement letter. A sales letter is a message from a company to a person or to another company, but it's basically a selling message from a company. What I like to do is send an endorsement letter, and this looks just like a letter from a person. This is page one of a two-page letter that put $300,000 into one of my clients' pipelines in about 60 days. An endorsement letter is kind of like a referral on paper. It's a message of recommendation about your business from a happy client. So it's a peer-to-peer message. Doesn't look like a sales letter, doesn't read like a sales letter, but it has exactly the same outcome as a sales letter because it makes people call you to find out more about what you're selling them. So the rule here is if you can make your sales letter look like something else, especially if you can use FedEx to make it look urgent or one of these other two formats I just shared with you, that can increase your response.